There's kind of this accepted idea that business intelligence and analytics is like an expensive piece of tooling. That's kind of become the norm. And these like legacy BI players have grown into these big platforms that have a lot of functionality and a lot of tools, and they need to sort of like justify the cost. But in reality, like most customers and most accounts will not use a fraction of those features. So you end up as an account actually paying a fortune for functionality that you'll just like never ever use. Of course, it can and should be because it does provide a ton of value in some instances, but most accounts shouldn't be paying what they are paying today for BI. Certainly not for what they're getting out of it. I think there's like a new generation of BI solutions that are cropping up that are going to be both more powerful and more affordable. BI today is just built on an entirely different infrastructure than what it was like 10 or 15 years ago. I mean, you have AWS to DuckDB and ClickHouse, all these like really cool technologies that are completely transforming the way the infrastructure is even built, and certainly have a huge impact on cost because like we're not having to build all this stuff in-house. We're outsourcing it to these big infrastructure players who have figured out how to actually scale this economically. And that benefits both us as a service provider, but also our customers in terms of the value they can get for what they're paying.